How we feeling this morning? You know, science is fun. We need a lot of energy. I want you to be engaged in this workshop. So, I have a little bag here. And inside my bag, I have some wonderful things. So I want you to think about liquid. Think about liquid. And I'm going to show you something out of my bag. See if you can tell me what liquid would be used. So, I have some waffles. So what liquid would be used?
Syrup.
Syrup. Okay, remember syrup. Okay. In my bag, I have Kool-Aid. So what liquid would be used with Kool-Aid?
Water.
Water. I love your energy. Water. Come on, keep the energy going. I need it. Then I have, now I have, what is that?
French fries.
French fries. French fries. Need the energy. What do you use for French fries?
Oil.
Oh, oil. So far we have oil, we have syrup, and we have water. So you're like, science, what are you talking about? What do you think this workshop might be about? Science is fun. Get the energy flowing. What do you think?
I think that maybe we want to make some mix.
Very good answer, but the wrong answer. That was good. I'm going to talk about, in this workshop, density. Density. So what do you think about when you hear the word density? Remember now, we have oil, we have water. What do you think?
I think about things that float.
Float. Okay, float. What do you think about it?
Things that sink.
Things that sink. What do you think about it? Weight. What do you think about it? Very good. Very good. That's good. What do you think about it?
Volume.
Volume. What do you think about it?
Everything they said.
All right, good. Give me an M word. 4 letters. M word.
Oh.
Think about density.
Math.
Math. Wonderful. All right, good. Okay, so today in our lesson, we're going to talk about exploring density in relationship to oil, water, and syrup. And we're going to do a fantastic experiment. If the experiment is done correctly, once we read the directions together, if we do it correctly, you're going to see layers. If you see layers, what do you predict about the different liquids blending together? Will it mix well together? What do you think? Will it mix? Will they blend?
It depends on
With water. We're going to compare. I'm sorry. Forgot one thing. Water. These different liquids mix with water.
Some of them.
Some of them will. What do you think? Yes.
I don't think so. I think they'll separate.
They're separate. What do you think?
They'll separate.
Separate. What do you think? Separate. Even what separates, how many things separate? Very good. How many things blend? And we're going to compare those liquids with water. So far we'll have one blend. Who was the blend person? No change now.
I
Who
said
blend?
I think some will blend.
That's what I
Some
said.
will blend.
Some.
And some will separate. That's what I meant.
We're going to use all 3. 1, 6, 7. Okay, so we're going to try the experiment. Okay? You ready?
Yeah.
What are we going to use? What are we going to use?
Oil.
Is this oil?
No.
Honey. All right, honey. Let's keep it moving. What else we going to use?
Dishwasher.
Dishwasher detergent. Let me see here. What about this? That be our oil. Very good. I love the way you said vegetable oil. Very good. You are paying attention. I love it. What about this?
Alcohol.
What kind of alcohol?
Rubbing.
We have to make sure we say rubbing. Okay, so we have so far we have 1, 2, we have 4. Okay, now what is this? Honey, very good. The energy is still great. I love it. Just keep the energy going. I I also have in here so we can distinguish the different types of liquids. What is this? Blue color. Very good. How many do we have? What different colors? Come on, we got it. Red.
Yellow.
I'm sorry.
Yes, 4.
It's 4, but it could be 4, but it could be more if you want to make me.
Okay, thank you very much, Lord, for adding that to us. Okay. Now, I'm going to give, in your lesson plan, you will see the directions. You will see the directions as to what to do. You see where it says what to do? You didn't get a packet? I am so sorry. See what happens, Lord, normally I don't give them to the advanced students because they already know what to do. So, since you want to feel part of the group, I'll be more than glad to give you one. Okay? I apologize for that. Okay, what to do? What to do? So, first I'll give everyone a container. Read over what to do. 1. Right, good. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, very good. Okay. Let's all stay focused. We should be reading our directions. Do we all have a container? Yes. Okay, now, what are we going to do next? Before we get started, would you mind assisting me? Would you come up here, please? Thank you very much. Would you assist me? Thank you. Would you assist me? Thank you. Would you assist me, please? Yes. Okay, baby. What you guys are going to do is we read the directions. You're going to help. You're going to engage in this, okay? You're going to pour a little bit of what they need. Okay? Everybody have a cup?
Yes.
We all focused?
Yes.
We all with me having fun?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Okay, we're going to get started here. Am I on time, Mark? That's why I put you up here. Okay, so, Ina, what are we going to do first?
I'm going to put some rubbing alcohol into one of the plastic cups.
Okay, who wants to have alcohol? So we're going to go right in order. So you can keep going. What's next? Mr. E.
Squeeze some honey into the, drop some blue food coloring into it.
Okay, so my food color first. Food color. Drop some blue. We're going to keep the train moving. What's next? Come on, CW, talk to me.
And a separate plastic cup to be same with water, except 8 1
Okay, so you my water person?
We
You
don't
have water
have
right
separate
here?
cups.
You're going to go along with it, they go around. Okay.
Drop some blue food coloring into it until the alcohol becomes dark.
Think it's dark enough?
Yes.
Think it's dark? Okay, next, let's try over here, Miss Brittany. What's next?
In separate plastic cups, do the same with water to add green color.
Okay, so we add the
I
green
already
color.
read it.
Excuse me?
I thought I already read it.
But it just gets good. It's good, it's good, it's fine. You're okay. So sometimes, you know, we want to make sure we all stay in the same place. What's next? Tanya.
In another cup, add orange food coloring to some corn syrup.
Okay, corn syrup. We have a corn syrup. So what two colors make orange? What two colors mixed together make orange?
Red and yellow?
Very good. Because we don't have that particular color on, we're going to mix the two together to make our orange. So sometimes in your classroom you may not always have the particular color that we can blend it. Okay, so
We don't have corn syrup, so we have 2
that's corn syrup. That's okay.
Okay.
Okay, so what's, my time is up.
You got 10 minutes.
Okay, next, Mr. Johnson, what's our next step?
Squeeze some honey into the bottom of your large glass.
Okay, so our small cup. Okay, honey. Okay, next, after Mr. Johnson's directions. What's next?
It says put just enough to give a thin layer. Keep in mind that your glass will need to hold 6 different layers of liquid. Next, have the student add the corn syrup. Pour this from the cup and try to pour it slowly and into the middle of the large glass. That's not
Okay. Got it. Okay, next. What was next? CW.
I'm sorry, what was the last,
You were the corn syrup, right?
The last thing was pour this from the cup and try to
Right,
pour it
yeah.
slowly and into the middle of the large glass. We're on
That was the
number
corn
4.
syrup.
the next one is have the child, and whoever's doing it, pour the dish soap in next. Remember to pour it into the middle of the glass.
Are you going to do the dish? We're saying glass. You can use glass. You can use a plastic container. Is that the middle? Is that the middle? Okay, she poured-
Not exactly.
You didn't notice. She poured
Kind
it
of went all
over.
around the sides.
Okay, so what's next? Ina, what's next? Let's help Ina. What's next?
5.
I was about to read it.
Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
thank you. It says use the baster to add water to the next level.
You got it? Okay, that's enough. Okay, Brittany, what's next?
Pour in vegetable oil next.
Where's the vegetable oil? And you know, sometimes you can vary. You can say, okay, you just pour it in, you put it in the middle. So you'll have different students doing different things. And then you can determine, you know, okay, I did this, you know, I poured it in, I put it in the middle, just look around the side. Okay, let's see, who have I heard from? Tanya, no, Lauren, my advanced student. Come on, let's hear it.
She put vegetable oil. Finally, help the student use the baster to add the rubbing alcohol.
Okay, the rubbing alcohol, you want to do it again? You think we should use the same one that we use with the water or a different one? You think, wait a minute, you think would make a difference to use the same container? What do you think? I need to hear your thoughts. What do you think?
I would use a different one.
A different one, what would you use?
I use just water.
Just water. Oh, okay. What do you think? We're going to use a different one.
Okay.
We're going to use a different one because water was part of the experiment. We actually put water in it. If you have droplets of water still in there, well, it may make a difference. So what we can do, what you can do, one day use it this way and then reuse the water one and see if it made a difference. Okay, so for right now for the experiment, we're going to use a different one. I am so glad that your energy level is up because it really helps a lot with trying to convince you all to try this experiment. How you making that? Okay. So let's see what happens. I thank you very much for your help. Stay here. Yeah, can everybody, who wants to hold it up? Come on, boy, if you haven't done anything. Hold it up high. Now, can you see the different layers?
Yeah.
So did those liquids blend or did they separate? Raise your hand.
Maybe from where I'm sitting, can you like hold it down? Because I don't actually see 6 layers. I don't know if I see 6. Maybe
You see 6.
I see 6.
It should be 6.
Okay. Is that little corner of it? I'm thinking one of your participants may have messed up when she didn't pour it in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay, I see it 1.
It's like the bottom.
You see 6.
You
I'm
can
sorry.
see 6? Because I can see the 6 if I'm looking at corner.
Okay, you can
Okay.
see 6.
Okay.
So basically, that's how the experiment would work. Okay, and I gave everybody a container. We were going to try, but because of time, at least you know what to do. You have your directions. You can keep the cup in case in the event when you get home you don't have a cup. Yes.
So what's up with the other 2 cups? I don't know what.
What was in that one? Water?
That was the
This was
rubber
alcohol
alcohol, but I thought
with
you were
the
going to
dye.
instead of the plain one, but she put the plain one.
That's what I was wondering.
You
Try
see
to
the
see.
blue.
Okay.
With the last one? Okay, let's try to see what happens.
I'm gonna pour it in the center.
Right in the center.
I know,
Oh, it blended. I saw it go at the bottom, and then it came back up.
Yes.
Okay.
So it didn't blend then.
But it went back up, so it
It's
did.
3
This is
layers.
spending.
so now,
Okay, let me see that.
yeah.
Yeah, nice.
And if you hold it down like this, if you look up this way,
I can see it.
see you can see the different ones over here. So I guess it depends on how you're looking at it and how much of the
Right, you pour it
you
in.
pour it in there.
Oh, yeah. I should have poured it a little bit too.
Because you can actually see through here. Can you see through here? Can you see through here?
Maybe let it
Oh,
sit.
yeah, I see it.
Yeah. Good. See, Lauren, my advanced student.
What you
Yeah,
said?
let it
I
sit.
said let it sit.
And
And
to the sound, you separate. Okay. So, I thank you all very much for, your help. Now, the question was, the objective was, students will be able to look at 2 different liquids with different densities and compare them to water. Now, the reason why you wondered, okay, why didn't it blend? What's really going on here? Why don't the liquids all blend together? It's because each of the liquids has a different density. The syrup had 1.33. The water with the food coloring, mind you, had 1.0. The vegetable oil had 91. Dish detergent 1.03. The honey 1.36. The rubbing alcohol 0.87. The various densities allow you to stack liquids on top of each other, resulting in this fantastic, stunning, and informative experiment. Okay, thank you. So, do you agree that we met the objective of getting to look at the different liquids and see whether it actually separated or blended together?
Yes.
So the main point was I wanted to let you all see that those liquids did not blend together because of the density. So if it's real thick or thin, you know, if they were all the same density, what would happen?
They would all mix.
Wow, they were all mixed. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Bravo.
Is there anybody who needs to go next that does not need to use an does not need a projector? Okay, yes.
That's fine.
You're passing these.